Funko Pop arrived. And now I need to organize this. I like to organize them by the number of the Funko Pop. And by doing that, it means Fox that I have in my hand needs to go right here. But that means everybody else needs to shift. And to be honest with you, some of these are out of order anyway because they don't really fit the regular order like these guys. I'm gonna have to do some rearranging. If you want to know how I know the order, how I know where each one should go, I have a spreadsheet. Now, did you know that you could put the images on a spreadsheet like that? Let me show you how I do it on Google Sheets. First, you need to copy the URL of the image. Then you're gonna go in your Google Sheet spreadsheet and you are going to use an image function in quotation marks with the URL. There are other things that you can put it in here. You can set up the mode, you can set up the height and the width. For this purpose, I am not doing that. I just want the image to fit the cell. If you want to unlink from the hosted image because you don't know for how long that image is going to be available in the URL, you are going to copy the cell and then you're going to paste special values only. Now, this is not linked to the image that's hosted by someone else. A copy of the image is placed directly into your Google Sheet spreadsheet. And just like that, it's all done. I got it more or less organized. I'm okay with how I have it. These were all here already. I also fixed this guy here that kept falling over, so that one got fixed. But here you go. And yes, some of them are boxed on the back. We joke that it's retirement fund, the ones that are boxed. We paid a lot of money on those and we plan on keeping them in the box. In a pinch, if we need money, we got it. And Hagrid is over here because again, Hagrid is too tall. And this could have been 2 shelves, but the Weasley store is way too tall. So we're gonna keep it this way. Tag a friend who you think should really know about this function.